Hope everyone's having a great day out there today. I wanted to jump on here and talk about what is advertising optimization on Amazon. So we'll dig into that today here for the next few minutes. I'm Dustin Kane. I'm an account executive at Sellozo. Sellozo is a tool that fully automates the optimization process of your ads on Amazon. And so I speak to lots of businesses and agencies on a day-to-day basis, and there can be some confusion about what optimization really is. I talk to lots of sellers who say, well, I'm running an automatic campaign on Amazon, so Amazon's doing that for me. And they're not. They are not optimizing it. So in essence, optimization of your ad campaigns on Amazon covers everything from keyword discovery to moving keywords between campaigns to negating keywords to adjusting bids periodically on all of your keywords based on some desired goal. Typically, it's a target ACOS is the goal. So just real quick, you can see here I've got Amazon pulled up. I've typed in the word garlic press, so this is the keyword. You can see here there is a sponsored brand ad up top and then 4 sponsored product ads right here. So these 4 brands are bidding on this particular keyword, and if you were to scroll down further, you would see this one right here doesn't say sponsored, so this is the #1 organic listing, which is where you want to end up on Amazon, and that's what PPC advertising can help do. So there's lots of ways you can get Amazon to show your product in these spots, and you have to optimize this. So let me jump now. We're gonna jump into Sellozo. This is our campaign studio. This is a really good way for me to just show this. This is a good visual to show what's happening in typical optimization. So there's 2 types of campaigns that you can set up in Amazon. One is an automatic targeting campaign, and the other is a manual targeting campaign. Automatic targeting campaigns are great because Amazon shows your ad for anything that it thinks is relevant. So it's a great keyword discovery tool. The negative of auto campaigns is sometimes Amazon shows it for things that aren't necessarily relevant, so it costs you money. And also you can't adjust the bids at the keyword level. So you just have one standard bid across all of your keywords. Now the manual campaign has a positive. The positive is you can adjust the bid at the keyword level. The negative is you have to find all the keywords. So this is where optimization comes in, and this is where you can use Amazon's different types of campaigns to help optimize your ad. So essentially what you want to try to do is run an auto campaign to discover keywords. And then as you find out those keywords actually convert to sales, you'd want to make them manual, whether it's a broad phrase or exact. We can talk about that in other videos. But you want to make it a manual keyword where you can adjust the bid periodically, weekly, daily, based on the data. So you'll be able to see if a keyword is converting very well, it's low ad spend, you might want to raise that bid so you can show the ad more. If a keyword is spending a lot of money and not converting, you may want to lower the bid or make it a negative. And so that is essentially what optimization is. It's finding all the places on Amazon where you can successfully show your product and then finding the right bid where it works. I mean, you have to be able to sustain your advertising campaign. It's got to be profitable, so you have to be adjusting these bids. And that's where Sellozo can come in and help you. We can design where we'll set up campaign structures where we'll automate this entire process based on a target ACOS that you set. And I highly recommend if you're going to be advertising on Amazon that you automate the process. There's so many adjustments that need to be made on a daily basis based on lots of different calculations that automation is where to go. So I hope that it helps you understand a little bit about what optimization is on Amazon and how automation can help you do it and why it's really important. Just turning on ads and campaigns in Amazon and then forgetting about them and letting them run is typically you're going to be spending your ad dollars very inefficiently. And a lot of times that makes people stop advertising. They feel like it's not working. So just a little bit of digging in and doing some optimization and potentially working with Sellozo to help you automate that process can go a long way. So if you have any questions about optimization or would like to really dig in to strategies and details, I'd love to talk with you. There's a link either above or below this video where you can book a time with me, and we'll talk about your business and how we can help you optimize your advertising. Have a great day, everybody.